Yeah, definitely blend out better in our head. Hello guys, welcome to another video from us. Today we'll be opening these Twilight Masquerade ETBs. We got them for about $35 each, so huge thank you to the people that gave it to us. Very big thank you. And yeah, if you never opened an ETB before, or if this is your first time coming to the channel, my name is Joshua, and over there is my fiance Nancy.
Hi.
And yeah, let's just get this opening started. Right. Yeah. Oh wait, yeah, let me do this first.
Ta-da!
Oh.
Oh!
My sleeves were caught in there. Ooh. They're pretty cool.
They are. And I like how instead of gray, it's black. Makes it better. In my opinion, it's better. The black is better than the gray.
And then we have the wonderful promo. Ooh. And the card for anyone who wants these.
And I like how these are actually in here, in this plastic instead of a plastic bag.
Oh.
It's better.
They actually did the Pokemon, what is this, Ogre-Pon?
Yeah.
On both sides. Oh, it is Ogre-Pon, what am I? Energy.
Huh? Grass. I got metal over here.
That means mine's lucky. And yeah, dice. I like these.
How many sliders did you get?
I got 4.
I got 3.
It's probably in there.
No. How many packs was it again?
It's 9, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 79, yeah.
Yeah,
9.
it's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's better. Oh!
Oh! I think he dropped something.
Yeah, I only got like 9 sliders. I mean, not 9. 3. 3 spacers, there we go.
You only got
What am I talking?
the 3 dividers.
Oh, yeah, there we go. 3 dividers. I only got 3. That means someone has opened it.
Reseal.
Resealed.
Hold it to the camera. Sorry.
It's resealed. Oh. Hell nah. Let me say, oh. I'm mad. I'm very mad. That means I'm not gonna pull anything then.
You're pulling garbage today?
Basically, I'm not pulling nothing but caca, man.
Alright, so we've never opened.
I have.
Well, I've never opened Temporal Forces, so technically.
Temporal Forces?
Temporal Forces. Twilight Masquerade. This is my first time opening it, so.
This is my second time. First time I pulled. Again,
Garbage.
I put caca in that too.
Oh, caca poo poo.
Yeah, so I put fucking garbage in that ATV. I'm so pissed. Oh, shit.
But yeah, we have our other 6 ready to sleeve our pulls if we get any.
I'm pretty sure I ain't getting anything.
I'm just happy to open the set.
I'm just. I'm over here thinking like it was.
Oh, that's gonna be your first pack?
Yeah, this is my first pack because they're all.
No.
They already have one the same.
I'll do this one then.
What is this one?
Alright.
Oh, you have this
Yeah,
one too.
I have. Actually,
I only have the one.
I'll do all
Wait.
2.
Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, it's 9.
Drag up pulls together. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, we're gonna do the style of a pack battle. So, whoever beats us gets all the cards from the pack. So, without further ado, let's get started. Oh, I opened seamlessly. It's gonna be, since we're opening with grass, I would say grass. Oh, it's water.
Fire.
I
That's
beat
funny.
you. Fiona, order. Repeats. Oh. Ooh, accompanying. Ooh. Boomerang energy. What the?
Okay, I'm already.
Oh, I am. I'm Farfetch. And Pokemon.
Hi, how are you?
Oh! It was a Dragapult pack.
Yeah, it was.
Dude. Oh, I got Infernape. The one that you wanted. Ooh, what's on the back?
What's in the bag?
Oh. Oh,
That
both
was
of
it.
yours was your hollows? Oh,
Yeah,
Whirlipede
these
was
two
your
are all-
hollow. Oh, let me get you a sleeve. You need to sleeve the bad boy up. You won the pack battle, but I won with the energy.
I'll put them on the side over
Where do we
here.
put the poles? Just on the side, or?
Yeah, on the side.
Oh no, you can put them right here. Ta-da!
Cool.
To show off what we pulled.
Here.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go with that pack.
This
Something told me it was lucky from the start. Oh, dude, that looks
Wow.
gorgeous.
Wowzers.
You're to be a stack, dude. Where are my pools? Look, they're right here. All my pools are right there. Guaranteed.
What if it's only these two?
Oh, actually, let's put the promos in the middle and then separate your pools from mine. Actually, we can do that. Yeah, that's smart.
I'm gonna put mine up here. Just put it right here. There.
Nice. Alright. I got the Ogre Pond pack. Oh no, you already have yours waiting in the back. That's one of the Dragapults. Because your Dragapults were pretty fire.
No, this is from Pokemon.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh, I should open the Pokemon then. I'm gonna go with... We'll go with Psychic. Hey, Psychic.
I'm gonna go with water.
Psychic. Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Oh, look at this. That's
I
cute.
pulled nothing. I saw a little hint in the back.
Nah, bro. I pulled a full trainer art and you'll be jealous. Ooh, area dust? It's a spider.
Okay.
Ooh, a Glimmet. I got the hot. Well, is this reverse hollow? I think it is. It's
I see the little fighting.
And what's that word?
Infernape.
I don't know what that word says, but it looks cool.
Word, you mean its name?
Yeah. And how do y'all pronounce that? Fizandipity? Alright, we've opened, what, 4 packs so far? And I've won nothing? Cool. You're beating me in these pack battles. I'm going to try to because you have 4 Ogre Pump packs. That's not fair.
Not that it's fair. What if they got nothing?
I'm gonna go with...
I'm gonna go with metal. Psychic. I suck at
water.
this.
I got water.
I suck.
No, you don't. That's okay. Oh, baby.
Split.
You know what I'm tired of this? Oh!
Haha, it's funny. You gotta pull.
I didn't think... I was gonna
Let's
say...
see, what's mine? Let's go from the bottom.
No! You beat me! No way! Iron Thorns EX. Dude, that's cool.
I know, it's super cool.
I got something. I got my cargo.
I feel like you're gonna end up getting a bigger hit, like a card.
I keep hitting the camera.
Something tells me you're gonna end up getting a card that's worth like.
Next thing I pull the card full art. I'll be laughing. Alright, I'm gonna go on my blood moves now. I'll leave Alpha Pumps for last.
Eeny, meeny, miny.
My pulls are in these packs. Trust. Trust.
I think it might be a trainer.
This is gonna be fighting. I got grass. Watch. Mine's gonna have the full trainer art.
Mine is gonna be. I say grass since I keep getting the same thing. Hey, this time water? Come on.
Like I see it true. Oh,
Damn, I
Perry.
keep getting the same card.
Watch me get that art. I'd be like laughing.
Nah. I'ma get it.
Ooh,
Oh,
Draclo.
2 dragons?
Whoa! A full heart. Or what is this? A special illustration? I don't know what it is, but it looks cool. Cramorant. But I hate you when you're in Lost Box, but you're not the Lost Box version. So
No.
You're cool. You're cool. You're cool. Nice, dude. That's actually a beautiful pull. Hang on, let the camera see from up close. So pretty. Oh wait, dang it, I can't see it because of the sleeve.
Yeah, it's like the matte, the gloss.
Yeah, there you go. Now you can see it.
I always prefer the gloss
I love this.
one.
See, I told you, my pulls are in these 4 packs. Watch.
They're in those packs, my love. They're in those packs.
Watch. Ooh, you're winning still so far because you're winning by pulls.
I can't open it. Jesus Christ.
And then there's something in there.
No, I just
I'm gonna
struggled to open.
say grass, since you got grass last time. Ooh, metal.
Okay, I'm gonna say fighting. Metal.
Metal. Full metal alchemist.
Ooh,
Chansey.
Frogadier.
Tangela. Shanks.
Apple?
Aaron,
I keep getting this!
Melodic.
I keep getting this.
Ooh, Jamming Tower. Timber. And, ooh, a chandelier.
And let's go from top.
Oh my goodness.
Blood
Dude,
Moon.
your thing is stacked. 4 pulls. Yes, you can. Dude,
Thank you.
no way. This UTV is cracked. Watch, someone from Locals is gonna ask for that one. I guarantee.
It is meta. It is. And I hate going against that deck by a lot.
Too much damage counters.
Very much so.
I'm gonna say fire.
Okay, let's see. I'm gonna say fighting. Grass.
Big grass. Yeah, that looks. I like that artwork.
Oh,
That's
it's
so
Froakie.
cool.
Little fishy. How shy.
Little apple so adorable. I want to plushie.
Glacier.
Oh! We both
So
got
cute.
Oh, look!
Ooh,
I
what
got
you
the
do?
evolution.
At the end of your opponent's next turn, put 9 damage encounters on the defending Pokemon. Ooh.
So it does 120 in total. Scolipede. Reverie.
I got Apple.
And Tin Lou.
Let's go from the bottom. Nada.
Memories. Alrighty, last pack magic. Let's see what we're gonna get.
Last pack. Ooh.
Alright. Here's the last code card from my side. Water. Oh.
Water. Dark.
Dark.
I never.
Oh, look at it. That really looks spendy.
Damn, I haven't seen this Pokemon
Oh,
forever.
I just pulled it too. I see. Oh, I got a reverse hollow Flora.
I didn't need that card.
Oh, I got the double rare of it. Of
I
yours.
Oh, never mind.
Wait, one more.
Dun,
No way!
Who is it?
It's Dragapult.
You're right.
Oh, look.
And now I got 2.
But look, I pulled this one, you pulled the regular Dragapult.
Oh my god.
Dude, that's sweet.
That's pack magic. Ooh.
I'm telling you, your ETB was stacked.
Thank you, ETB. You made up for my last ETB because I pulled garbage in that one.
Honestly, yeah.
I pulled garbage, yeah. I mean, like, 2 pulls was better than nothing, but oh, I was mad.
But now you actually got 3 full arts, 2 double rares. That's actually not bad. Meanwhile, I pulled 2 double rares, and is this a special illustration or something? I don't know, but it looks cool. I like it.
Where's the book?
I lost the book already.
My book is under all of that crap.
Okay. It's somewhere around here. Cramorant. I think they are the special illustrations. Yeah, I believe so. But it's the first star one. It's right here.
That's the woo-poo.
Oh, right.
At least it wasn't the lost.
It's fine. Alright, guys. So that was our opening. Let me show you all the pulls again. These are mine. I love them. They look cool. Especially this one. This one too. This one actually, like, if you see it in person, like, the hollow jumps out at you almost.
This is mine.
Get out of here.
What do you mean?
No kidding.
So, the CTV wasn't real. It just only had the 3.
They weighed the packs wrong. I like this though.
The way the pack's wrong. That's funny.
Video beepies.
I like this one, but I hate going against the deck though. It's very annoying.
And then little Tyranitar.
And you're scratching.
Little
Yep,
Tyranitar. Little baby.
Tyranitar.
Alright, well, that was our opening for today's CTB. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and a like and comment would be very beneficial to us. That way we could provide more videos like these. Do you have anything to add?
Flex up says it.
Yes, have a good day or good night, whichever time you're watching this. And yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.